Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the Dethleffs Just Camp T 6812 EB, the motorhome that proves you don't need a mansion to live like royalty, just enough room to swing open a secret shower wall without knocking over your spouse's coffee. Before I reveal what I think is the most delightfully sneaky bathroom in RV history, smash that subscribe button like my neighbor smashed his roof vent in a drive-thru. Seriously, he thought 2.9 meters tall was just a suggestion. Now, this classy low-profile RV rides on a Citroën chassis and packs a 140 horsepower diesel engine. At 6.95 meters, 22.8 feet long, 2.32 meters, 7.6 feet wide, and 2.94 meters, 9.6 feet tall, it's roomy enough to sleep for and compact enough to park without traumatizing pedestrians. Inside, you'll find a 4-seat dinette with swiveling captain's chairs, perfect for awkward card games or passive-aggressively ignoring each other on long trips. The galley kitchen includes a 2-burner stove, fridge with freezer, and just enough counter space to chop one carrot. But the piece de resistance? The hidden shower. Slide the fake wall, bam! Instant bathroom magic. Sink and mirror attached, dry storage intact, dignity, mostly, preserved. There's a swiveling cassette toilet, solid storage, and an optional heated wastewater tank so your plumbing doesn't freeze like my buddy Phil did that one January trip to Bavaria. Sleeping-wise, there are 2 single beds at the rear that convert to a double, with netting. So your kid won't fall out during those exciting Bavarian turns. Below, a massive pass-through garage awaits your folding e-bike, inflatable kayak, or, let's be honest, your panic-packed gear. Standard features? 2.5 meter, 8.2 foot, Thule awning, 6 kilowatts gas heating system, 95 AGM battery, digital control panel, and a rear-view camera that won't judge your parking. MSRP is €68,499, around $77,800, but I saw one listed at €66,000, $72,800, with an adjustable bike rack. I believe that's fair for a rolling spa and family escape pod in one. If you're tired of 5-star hotel bills and dream of peeing next to a dining table that folds, this rig is for you. And hey, if you want more tours, laughs, and my friend Tom accidentally setting off a smoke alarm with a microwave burrito, consider sponsoring us for just $1. Links under the video, right next to the one where Tom learns why you don't winter camp in Crocs.